Hey guys, welcome back to SkillLiftt's BIM Revit course. In this video, we'll see how to create and modify our railings. Let's get started.
Railings can be placed on stairs, ramps and floors as well. Okay, in floors where there is scope for balcony or the cutout, we can use the railings over there. Okay, so to do that we have to first go to the plan view. Let me first show how to place our railings on the floor. So for this there is two types of railings that can be placed. One is the sketch option and the other one is place on stairs or ramp. As the name suggests, if I can see here, as the name suggests, this can be directly placed on the ramps and the stairs, but for customized path of the railings, we need to use the sketch path option. Okay, we can find it in architecture tab, circulation, railings. If I click directly on railings, it automatically takes, or by default it takes the sketch option. Okay, so once the sketch option is activated, I can use the pick line option or use the line option to draw the railings. See, this is how the railing is formed on the floor. Other than this, if I have to draw some irregular shapes, I can do that using sketch path. Let me just take this arc. For the same curvature and give finish. If I see it in 3D, it can be drawn in this manner also. Okay, and to place the railings on the ramp and the stairs, I have to click on place on ramp. There are two options, stringers and threads. Stringers, I can use it for ramps, and architecture railing place on threads I can use for the stairs. Right, so this was about how to place and how to sketch the railings. Now let's see how to add materials or change the height and customize it according to our requirement. Click on the railings. Here in property palette we can see that there are actually four default options, that is 900 mm. The height of the railing is 900 mm. See, the height got reduced. By default it takes the 1100 mm. Okay, next is 900 mm height with pipes. Okay, this gives us this horizontal pipes. And the next option is, let me select this, of the glass panels. Glass panels can also be set. When it comes to circular railings, I can see that if I select only the outer railing, okay, if I select the outer railing of the stair, circular stair, and give glass panels, and if I select the inner railing and give the glass panels, I can see that there is some issue with the glass panel being placed, because the curvature or the radius of the inner railing is very steep. Okay, so that's why the glass panels doesn't is not feasible in this circular option. But if our circular rail stairs has a wide radius or it has a huge curvature, we can place our glass panels without any issues. So when the radius of the circular stair is very less, it is better we opt for other railings, right? Now in glass panels we can also make some changes of the materials. Like for example, if I select the glass rail, go to edit type, duplicate it and click on OK. In my rail structure I can see that there is no material assigned yet. The rail 1 is the top one and the rail 2 is the bottom one. Okay, if I have to assign a material to it, I have to click on the 3 dots beside the by category option, go to materials library, look for wood. Okay, if you are okay with this wood, you can apply this material to it. Otherwise you can explore the different options and use what you can apply. Okay, right now I want this, so I'll click on OK, and here also I'll change and give apply, OK, OK. Now I can see that. Let me show you in a realistic view that the material here has been changed. It is not metal anymore, it has changed to wood. In this manner you can change the material of the railings, you can change their height, you can also use the tinted glass here. The thing is, you need to explore them. Okay, so this is it for now. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. There is a simple quiz on the topic of railings and ramps. The link is given in the description, and in SkillLiftt we also offer full BIM Revit courses. Details are given in the description. See you in the next video.